everyone, it's Rebecca with GTI Academy, and today we are going to look at how to associate images to KPI ranges. Before we begin, leave a comment below to submit a topic for a future video. We have a fun video for you today as I will show you how to liven up your KPIs by associating images to the ranges. You see here that I have a KPI for total inventory value. Currently, this KPI is set up to display the number, and depending on the range, the font will either be in green, yellow as you see here, or red. Let's update this KPI to show images instead. First, on the KPI setup screen, you'll need to change the type to image. This will activate the image fields on the Ranges tab. Let's take a look. I have 3 ranges defined for the total inventory value KPI. For the low range, I want to associate a green $sign. If the image already exists, you can simply select it from the field lookup. Otherwise, you can upload images from the Actions dropdown, Upload Image. In my experience, .png files work best. So here I'll want to select my image, then click Submit. This will upload the image, then I'll need to click Save to save the image to the range. Next, we can repeat this process for each range. So for my medium inventory value, I would like to associate a yellow $sign. So I can go ahead and submit that to upload the image, then click Save to save the range details. And for my high inventory value, I'm going to upload a red $sign. Click Submit, and once again, be sure to click Save to save the image to the range details. If I return to the Start Center and refresh my KPIs, the yellow $sign image will appear rather than the number in the yellow font. This is just a creative way to draw attention to the KPIs on your Start Center. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. Have a great day.